Let's get it on. Ang lalaki na niya, Kongkit. Ano uniform?
Batch pa lang nila yan. Si Vision wala. Si Gito wala. Marami pang wala. Kinakausap pa ako ni Gito. Last week. Opa.
Okay, second game tayo. Kayo pa rin. Nadagdag lang si Mr. Elo. Nagagalit ka na naman, Dalisay. Nagagalit ka na naman. Ayan na po si Mr. Carswell Cabrera. Joke lang. Okay. A job between Samson and Fabian. Fabian wins the tap. Apostol. Pull up J. Misses the shot. Rebounded by Elo. Anega with the letter. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Pizarro. Air ball. Malibiran. Batang bata. Malibiran. 14 to shoot. Samson. 10 seconds to shoot. Jump shot. Pasok yan para kay Samson. Yan na si Mr. Edo. Pizarro to Apostol. To Fabian. Launches a three. Misses. Nakapagod na. Jogging lang. Malibiran. Setting up a play. Para sa sarili. Wala. Rebounded by Mendoza to Patino. Patino, jumper. Misses. Apostol to Tanega. Tanega. Jumper no good. Mendoza to Dalisay. Dalisay. Jumper is good for Dalisay. Oo naman. Dalisay, hinahanap ka ni Mr. Carswell Cabrera. Elo. Out of bounds. Ano, ta-time out pa kayo? Walang time out. Kaya mo yan, Mr. Apostol. Dalisay. Pupukol na naman. Easy 2 points. Narinig mo lang si Carswell. And gets a foul from Mr. Mendoza. Dalisay, naka-live tayo ha. Nag-comment na dito si Carswell. Sabi ni Awel, good game daw. 18 to shoot. Apostol. To Fabian. To Elo. Elo. Easy 2. Ito na pala ang secret weapon nyo. Malibiran. Pass to Patino. Patino. Binamatay. Patino pa rin. Wala. Samson. Plays for 2. Pizarro babawi kaya? Pizarro may isang tira na kuha ni Malibiran. Malibiran dahan-dahan lang. Pagod na si Alan. Ang bira ka. 10 seconds to shoot. Patino. To Dalisay. 7 to shoot. Dalisay, pupukol na naman. Wala. Fabian with the rebound. Fast break pass to Pizarro. Pizarro. Pass to Talega. Easy 2 points for Talega. Time remaining 4 minutes, 42 seconds. Ito po ang Tidel Year 2000. Mukhang matutuloy ng balikan ni Kongjet. Malibiran. Jumper no good. Rebounded by Mendoza. Ayan na po. Easy 2 points by Mendoza. From Kataning. Malibiran using the clock. Malibiran to Samson, back to Malibiran, 14 to shoot. Malibiran to Mendoza, parang ipapasa mo pa, itira mo na. Mendoza misses. Lopez Sol. Isara. Pinatarahin Mendoza. Ang galing mo, Mr. Mendoza. Asset play para kay Alan. Teka lang, wait lang. Okay, pasok ka na. Pagka na shoot. Misses the shot. Time out, Team Kongjet. Our score, 1-4. 10-4. Time remaining 3 minutes 29 seconds. Pizarro, nagtrabaho.
Ito, ganito lang tama lang ganito kalagay ko.
Back to the ball game.
Sino po? Sila akong din. Ay, lalong bibili siya ng Jose. Lumawal.
Kongjet entering the court. Mendoza to Kongjet. Rizal. Looking for the Rizal. Rizal. Bola. Now wait to wait. Same ball tayo, same ball. Rizal inbounding the ball. 14 to shoot. Samson. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebounded by Fabian. Fabian, fast break pass to Balio. Samson to Kongjet. Intercepted by Fabian. Fabian, fast break pass to Dumawan. Dumawan, nagmamadali. Pasok. Kongjet. Nice D from Fabian. Dumawan, crossover move. Pass to Guzman. Guzman intercepted by Samson. And gets a foul from Guzman. Foul on number 6. Jordan Clarkson. Sasab ka ba, Pabi? Substitution rep, Valencia Patino out. Time remaining 2 minutes 38 seconds. Kongjet, pass to Dalisay. Dalisay. Wala. Rebounded by Fabian. Paluyot. Lays up, easy two. Last 7 minutes, 20 seconds. Ongjet, pull up jumper. No good, rebounded by Paluyot. Paluyot. Misses the shot, rebounded by Samson. To Valencia. Last 2 minutes. Ongjet. To Dalisay. Dalisay. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakita si Ongjet. Ongjet. To Mendoza. Last 3 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute 35 seconds. Lumawal. No good. Rebounded by Ongjet. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. LOL. Hugayin. Oras natin 1 minute 27 seconds. Lumawal to Bugay. Bugay, it's an air ball. Oras natin 1 minute 17 seconds. Samson. Pass off and gets. It's an offensive foul. Offensive foul yun, offensive. Dumawal. Easy 2 points for Dumawal.
Dumawal nakashoot ka. All team?
Dalisay. Hindi sa tira. Nakakuha ni Bugay. Out of bounds. Last 50 seconds. Substitution by Patino in. Last 50 seconds. Ongjet, pass to Valencia. Valencia. Intercepted by Fabian. Ongjet. To Valencia. Valencia tutus pa rin. Nawakan ng Ongjet. Ongjet to Samson. Mintis pa rin. Nakakuha ni last 23 seconds. Dumawal to Paluyot. Last 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 7 seconds. Samson. End of the first quarter. Score natin all 10.
Sakto tapos ito bago mag-alasal. Dito, mga noong 23. Wala pa rin siyang trabaho. Hindi, kailangan niya magtrabaho, kaya lang, napag-isipan niya, sikat din mo magtrabaho. Total na hindi siya pa naman siya. For 6 months na. Sabi niya, hindi siya pwede magtrabaho is pension. At din ikaw mo lang marang.
Back to the ball game. Pizarro to Clarkson. Hindi sa tira ng Juan Cocktail. Samson. No good. Samson pa rin. And gets a foul from Pizarro. Huwag ka magpapoul out, Elman. Ano kung may trabaho ka? Samson on the line. Samson misses the first. Pizarro with the rebound. Pizarro lays up and gets a foul from Patino.
Ano?
Pizarro misses the first. Pabelya pa lang to eh. It's the second. Kong Jet. Intercepted by Baluyo. Baluyo. Tubuga and gets a foul from number 6, Fabi Valencia.
Kapatid niya agad. Papalit ka. Balitan mo na. Agad nag-reply.
Bugay misses both. Nisay. To Manibiran. Manibiran to Patino. Patino. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebounded by Pizarro. Pizarro. Zigzag move. Wala pa rin. Rebounded by Manibiran. Manibiran to Valencia. To Samson. Out of bounds.
May patubig si Kongit. Kami pa merinda. Hindi pa merinda si Kongit. Hi. Hi Kongit.
Nakakiti na po si Dalisay. Nakakiti na. Dalisay. Pass break po yan. Manibiran gets the basket. Pizarro, pull up J. Launches a three, misses the shot. Misai. Kong Jet. The Samson, 15 to shoot. Valencia. Launches a three. Valencia three. Apostol. To Baluyo. Baluyo. Easy 2 points for Baluyo. Ay, thank you, boss.
Referee natin. Ha? Referee.
Easy 2 points for Manibiran. Time out!
Ayun ko. Pinawa pa kita. Pinawa ko pa.
Dalisay! Dalisay!
Mukha ka dun para dalawa. Paano ko ka dalawa dun? Sige. Hindi. Sige. Ako bala dun.
Ayun na naman.
Ito gusto ko. Ba't ano ka lang pula?
Dali lang ba? Yan meron ni...
Salamat, Kong Jet, sa Gatorade.
time out lang, time out.
Second quarter. Second.
Second quarter na tayo, di ba may natitira pa? 5 minutes.
Time remaining 5 minutes 43 seconds. Apostol inbounding the ball to Baluyot. Baluyot to Bugay. To Elo. Back to Bugay. 10 to shoot. Bugay lays up. Easy 2 points. Nisay with the letter. To Valencia. Misses the shot. Rebounded by Elo. To Bugay. Intercepted by Samson. Samson to Valencia. To Malibiran. Malibiran. Misses. Apostol. To Pizarro. Baluyot. Easy 2 points. Malibiran again. Misses. Tied at 17. Apostol, easy 2 points. Lamang na, Kim Bugay. Patinyo. Easy 2 points, napakalupit ng taga-senate na yan. Diyan ka muna, Elman. Diyan ka muna. Apostol. To Baluyot. And one. Who's foul, ref? Foul on number 5. Malibiran. Substitution. Pizarro out. To Mawali.
Siya ba talaga tumabay? Sa payat? Ano? Si, number 5, Samson. Ay, hindi. Si Malibiran.
Misses both.
Saan tayo?
Baluyot. Dalisay. Ayan, batang-bata si Dalisay. Dalisay. Pass to Elo. Misses. Rebounded by Malibiran. To Komjet. Nisay with the letter. Nisay. Pass to Valencia. Valencia misses the shot. 14 to shoot. Patinho. Nabitawan ni Dalisay. Bugay umikot. Easy 2 points.
Pinasa pa ni Frankie yun,
Malibiran. Didiskarte, 10 to shoot. To Valencia. To Patinho. Patinho misses the shot. Kongjet. Launches a 3. Misses. Rebounded by Bugay. Fast break pass to Baluyot. On the down. Nisay floater. No good, rebounded by Elo. And gets a foul. On Malibiran.
Second personal foul.
It's your second personal foul, Malibiran.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Bugay, Tumaluyot. 14 to shoot. Tumawal misses. Congress with the rebound. Pass to Dalisay. Dalisay. Kinanan, wala. Dalisay pa rin. Dalisay. Dalisay ito, nagbablog to eh, nagluluto ng pritong isda. Vlogger to si Dalisay eh. Bugay, umigot, wala. Nakakuha ni Kongjet. Paso Patinyo, Patinyo. Patinyo! Up, ano tawag rep? Pushing foul, pushing foul. Nasa NBA ko lang napapanood dyan eh, Patinyo, yung mga bumabagsak. Nangyayari din pala sa tunay na buhay.
Basta lang man.
Valencia is pounding the ball to Nisay. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Dalisay, Dalisay. Jumper no good. Guys, ingat tayo sa fast break, ha? Kim, ingat ka sa fast break, baka magbayad si Marvin. Jet. Pass to Malibiran. Malibiran misses. Nakawa ni Baluyot. Baluyot umikot. Baluyot ang layup. Pasok. Oras natin 1 minute 16 seconds. Jet. To Valencia. Ano tawag rep? Technical. For clapping. Bawal yun yung clapping. Si Apostol.
Tapos may penalty siya.
Sila mo?
Technical si Tasman.
Kayo,
May ano ba yun? May foul.
technical lang. Technical lang pala po. Clapping lang. Wala namang contact.
Malibiran. 14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Dalisay. 6 to shoot. 94 seconds violation. Labas mo na, labas. Inaabot. Time remaining 47 seconds. Happy viewing sa inyo dyan, Abelia. Happy viewing. Si kuya mo. RM. Baluyot impounding the ball. To Apostol. Apostol, jumper, no good. Rebounded by Dalisay. Dalisay. To Kongjet. Nisay. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha pa rin ni Dalisay. Dalisay, Penwersa. Easy 2 points. Ang lakas niyan dati si Dalisay. Nakapapalog sa gilid yan. Last 25 seconds. 25 seconds na lang. To Bugay. Launches a 3. Bugay misses. Wala na po tayong shot clock. Last 15 seconds. Kongjet lays up. Misses. Rebound. Last 7 seconds. Apostol to Elo. Elo lays up. Last 4 seconds. Perfect pass. Intercepted by Bugay. End of the second quarter.
Second quarter lang yun eh.
Hinga muna, hinga. Inom muna Gatorade.
Ano pare, okay ka pa? Ano, bubuga muna ba tayo? Pagpega muna sa kaunti.